Hey there, it's Allison, also known as Allie Off Vine from Off the Vine Design Studio. Today we're going to be putting together a mood board for a client project. This client is called Casa, and it's an authentic Mexican restaurant owned by two brothers who are ready to just sort of revamp their whole restaurant image and be able to reach more people through fun, colorful, bright, just top tier branding. So let's get started and let's get creative. So here we have our mood board template open in Canva. It is a template I sourced from someone else, but I did sort of edit and make it my own so it could serve the purposes that I need for my client projects on top of adding my own custom fonts and branding. Here I'm just adding pictures that I've sourced from Pinterest. I don't own these pictures. And I picked these pictures because I think they really fit the vibe that the client was sort of going for when we were going through their brief. We have pictures of, tacos because that's like the main thing that they sell at their restaurant. They're huge on authentic Mexican tacos. We've got sort of classic Hispanic art. We've got the Mexican flag. Just all sorts of things that I think scream what they were looking for. And what's most important when putting a mood board together is sort of just visually showing where you're at in the thought process so you can make sure that your thought process aligns with your clients. Because if you're on different sort of tracks, it can totally derail the project. So it's really important to make sure that you're like one and the same every step of the way. I'm also adding colors over to the side for their reference that I've picked for their color palette. And these are colors that I picked out before making this video using my favorite tool called Coolers. And then next you're going to see me adding the adjectives that the client also listed out in their brief. The big 4 adjectives that they gave me were bright, colorful, authentic, and heritage. And I know heritage isn't necessarily an adjective, but they're really proud of their heritage, and I wanted to sort of show that off and make sure it's important. And you'll see that colorful is going to be circled because that's like their number one most important thing. They want it to be bright, fun, colorful. So there you have it. The first part of this client project is complete. Thank you for following along as I created a mood board in Canva for my client, Casa. Coming up in the next video, which will be posted in the next couple days, you'll see how I went from logo sketches to actually having a finished first draft of 2 different logos that I presented to this client. As always, thank you for hanging out with me. Be sure to hit like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get a heads up when the next video is ready for you to watch. Have a great week, be creative, and be kind to yourself. Bye!